Aloha! Welcome to KTA's Quick and Owner Recipes. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and today we're making turkey meatball lollipops. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Grab a large mixing bowl and add the ground turkey meat and Italian turkey sausage. Add in the onion, garlic, eggs, basil, parsley, pesto, panko, cheese, salt, and pepper. Blend everything together well using your hands. Take a baking sheet lined with tinfoil and spray with non-stick cooking spray. Start forming your mixture into golf ball-sized meatballs and place them onto a baking tray. Bake in the oven for 20 minutes or until cooked through. Remove from the oven and let them cool for a minute or two before poking them with a lollipop stick. Place on a platter and serve with your favorite tomato sauce. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.